Hi, James of the 1HourSmartHome.com, and today we're going to show you how to change the battery on a Nest Secure window and door sensor, Nest motion sensor. So this is the primary sensor for the Nest security system, the Nest Secure system, and you can see we've got it on right now. But let's say you ran out of batteries, which can happen after a couple of years. You're going to need to change the batteries on this. So we've got it off the wall here, but if it is stuck to the wall, it's the same procedure, except you're gonna maybe need a little bit more leverage. You might need to get a screwdriver back here. You can see right there at the top, that is kind of the hole that you would put a screwdriver in. You could also try and get something small in here on the side. But basically how these come off, they kind of like rotate out and downwards. So if you have it off the wall, if you can get something back behind here, this is kind of really ideal. Or you just need to pull really hard at the top here, and you're going to be able to get it off the wall like that. So you got to really pull pretty hard to get these things off. You're not going to damage anything, but you may have to screw this in if it pulls off the wall. And like I said, a downward pressure on the top of this is also going to help to rotate it off of the battery there, off the mount. So then once you've got that, you're just going to take this old battery out. This is a C123, and we'll just show you that. You press down and that pops out much easier. You've got the codes in here. If for whatever reason you lost this little sticker, you would scan that code inside there. But this is a C123A, and that just goes in there. That's what you need to replace it. So we're going to put a link to this below for the exact battery that they recommend to use for these Nest security window and door sensors. And then to put the battery back in, just put it in on a spring like so, and you're going to put this back on. And doesn't look like there's any orientation to this. This plate, so you can put it back on either way that you like. And we'll just put this back on. Okay, it is back on. And like I said, it's a pretty forceful pull to get this thing off compared to, just pulling it off on its own. Sometimes if you can get something back behind there, see how much easier that was, like nail clippers or something like that might be really helpful. And then you're going to be able, once you've got it back there, to just complete the wedging process and pull it off. And so, that's not even the ideal type of screwdriver. That's a Phillips head and not a flathead. But getting something back there can help get this off, and it's much easier then. So maybe a small screwdriver, like a nail clipper, would maybe be good to get it off there. But just some ideas for how to remove the battery on this. And you want to make sure that you use those Panasonic lithium 123 batteries. There's alkaline batteries that are in that size, but you want to use lithium because these are designed to last for several years. So you want a longer lasting battery in your Nest sensor. So thank you for watching this video. Please like this channel, this video. Subscribe. If you want to support us, you can click on any of the links below. Click on the link for the batteries. You can find those available at Amazon. And as always, thank you for watching. We appreciate you, and we'll see you next time.